Good morning, all of you. This book, Selena Publication, which is in your syllabus for the class 9. In this book, there are 28 chapters. Today, I am starting up Unit 3 Algebra. Chapter number 4, Expansion. And what is expansion? So expansion is what? Expansion, it is a process in which the contents of brackets are annihilated. It means whatever values are inside the bracket, these values are calculated. Yes or no? Whatever values are inside the bracket, these values are solved or the calculated. So later, by using some example, we will understand these things. This is a very simple chapter. In this chapter, some formulas are there. If you have learned these formula, you can solve easily all the questions. This chapter also you have studied in the class, maybe in class 7 or in class 8. So I am writing some formula. So first you check this formula. So the first formula is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is what? A plus b into a plus b. Yes or no? So multiply these two brackets. So first you multiply a into a. A into a means a square. A into b, this is plus ab. Now b into a, this is plus ab. B into b plus b square. It means what? A square, a plus b, this is 2ab plus b square. This is the formula 1. Okay. Now check the second formula. A minus b whole square. This is what? A minus b into a minus b. The same as a into a square, a into minus b. A is plus and b is minus. Plus minus, plus into minus. This is minus. This is minus ab. Now minus b plus a. This is again minus ab. Minus b minus b. This is plus b square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. This is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So this is what? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, and left hand side now here at the right hand side. So this is here you check. If we are adding equation 1 and 2, so a square 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab, these value will be cancelled. Now b square plus b square, this is 2b square. Now take the 2 common, so this is a square plus b square. Now, so this is the formula number 3. Now subtract equation 1 and equation 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2. Now check one more formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. If we are subtracting equation 1 minus equation 2, check here. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now open the bracket, so the sign will change. So this is minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So a square cancel. B square cancel. So what is left here? Plus 2ab plus 2b equal to 4ab. Understand? Now listen again. The first formula is a plus b whole square is what? A plus b into a plus b. Multiply this, solve. The value is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. The second formula, a minus b whole square. This is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is what? 2 bracket a square plus b square. Now the fourth formula is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is what? 4ab. Yes or no? So you take this piece short, otherwise you note down this. Yes, noted. Now check some more formula. Formula number 5. This is a plus 1 upon a square. Again, this is what? Suppose this is a and this is b. So the first formula is what? A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Use this. This is a and this is suppose b. So a square plus 2ab. This is a. B is what? 1 upon a plus b square. What is b here? Here b is 1 upon a. So this is 1 upon a whole square. So this is what? A square, a cancel 2 plus 1 upon a square. Formula number 6. A minus 1 upon a whole square. So formula number 2 is what? A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So now use here, this is a and this is b. A square minus 2a into 1 upon a plus b square. B is what? B is 1 upon a. So this is a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. This is the formula number 5. This is the formula number 6. Now adding 5 and 6. So formula number 7 is what? Now add these two equations. Plus 2a minus 2 will be cancelled. A square plus a square. This is 2a square. 1 upon a square, 1 upon a square. 2 upon a square. Take the 2 common. So a square plus 1 upon a square. This is the formula number 7. Now check the last formula. Formula number 8. Now subtract equation 5 and 6. So now check this. A square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square minus a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. This is minus sign. So the here open this bracket. So the sign of all the values will change. Check, this is plus, so this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So now cancel a square positive, a square negative cancel, 1 upon a square, 1 upon a square cancel, 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Clear? Listen again. A plus 1 upon a whole square is what? Suppose this is a and this is b. Use the first formula. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is a, b is what? 1 upon a. So a square plus 2 a into b. B is 1 upon a plus b square. It means 1 upon a whole square. A cancels, so a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. The same as this. Formula number 6. Now add the equation 5 and 6. So we get this formula. Now subtract both the equations. So we will get this formula. Okay. Please make a note. Now we are solving some questions from the exercise 4a. In this book, okay, in this chapter there are 5 exercises: 4a, 4b, 4c, 4d, 4e. Today we are solving some questions of the exercise 4a. So we are solving the first question. First part, the question is find the square of 2a plus b. Square of 2a plus b. Now use this first formula, a plus b whole square. So a is what? Here the a is a, the b is b. Yes or no? Use this formula. So first formula is what? Square of a. So a is what? 2a. So square of a plus 2. A into b. A is what? 2a. The b is b. This is what? Plus b square. So b is what? B square. So 2a square is what? 4a square. This is 4ab plus b square. This is the answer. Please make a note. Now, check the question number 2, first part. The question number 2 is use identity to evaluate. Use identities to evaluate. Identity means this formula. By using this formula, you have to find the value of 101 whole square. So in this question, first we have to break this 101 into simple form. We can break 100 plus 1, or we can break in 99 plus 2, or we can break in 90 plus 11. In so many forms we can take this value, but we have to choose the simple one. It means you break in the simple form. So if we are breaking this value in simple form, so easily we can solve. If we are taking these values, so we know the square of the 99, square of the 2. Here, if we are taking this value, so we know about the square of the 90, square of the 11. So these, if we are taking these values, these are a little bit difficult as compared to this. Clear? So if we are taking 101 as 100 plus 1, this is very, very simple. Because 100 of square we know, square of 1 we know. Clear or not? So we are taking these values also we can take, no problem. But the simple is this. Now, so the question is, we have to solve this identity. We have to solve this question by using identity. It means by using formula. Simply we can solve this question. It means what? 101 whole square. 101 whole square is what? 101 into 100. That multiply, you get the answer. But we have to use this formula. By using this formula, we have to solve this value. We cannot use this method directly. Clear? So identity means clear. In question, it is given that identity. So we have to solve these values by using the formula, not directly. Yes? So solve this 101 whole square. This is what? 100 plus 1 whole square. So this is what? So 100 is what? Suppose this is A and this is B. Use the first formula. First formula is what? A square. This is A is what? 100 plus 2AB. 2, A is 100, B is 1, plus B square is what? This 100 square is what? Simple. This is 200. This is 1. So this is what? So answer is 10,201. Now check the next question. Question number 2, third part. We have to find the value of this 97 whole square by using identity. Again, the square of 97 we can solve directly, 97 to 97. But by using identity we have to solve this value. So again 97. So again break this value in simple form. So we can break in 90 plus 7, 100 minus 3. In so many forms we can break this. But which one is the simplest form? So simplest form is, if we are using this, so we know the square of 90, we know the square of 7. If we are taking this, so this is, if we know the square of 100, then we know the square of 3. So which one is the simple form? So simple form is what? The simple form is this one, 100 minus 3, as compared to this. This is also simple. But comparing these two, the simple one is this. So we have to use the simple form. So 97 is what? 100 minus 3 whole square is what? This is A, this is B. Use the second formula. Formula is what? The square of A. It means minus 2AB. B is 3. B is what? 3 square. The square of 100 is what? This is, so this is what? $9,409. Clear? Understand? Please make a note. Take a screenshot or you note this. So for today this is enough. Next time we will solve more questions of this exercise 4A. Thank you.